Hey guys, welcome back to the Get a Clue Marketing Show. And today I'm doing a little bit differently using my overhead camera and doing this on my tablet. And I'm just seeing if I like this method, see what you think. I'm also recording the screen if it doesn't work out so my hand doesn't get in the way all the time, okay? We're talking about sales funnels today. And I'm just going to break it down, the basics, whether you have a product or a service. You definitely want to get more people interested in and build that trust, okay? Each one of these blocks here is a building, a trust builder for your potential clients and your visitors, okay? And we're talking about sales funnels, so if you have a product that you're wanting to sell, and if you're using any type of advertising at all, because let's face it, you have two choices. You can either have paid ads or doing social posting or classifieds or anything like that. I just did a video on some free websites that you can go to. I think there's 11 of them that you can go to for free. Okay. So, but the point is, this is your starting point right here. Okay. So you're going to start there. And then once somebody responds to your ad or your post, then you're going to send them to a landing page. Now, some people call this a squeeze page. I never liked the terminology. So, I'm just going to say landing page. Okay. And this is where you should have a video on here explaining who, what, where, and how of who you are, right? Who, what, where, how, why. All right. So this is going to explain that and the special download, what you're offering. Okay. This is not necessarily a direct sale. It's something that's going to be trust. So we're building trust right now. Because if they don't know you, they need to like you so that you can sell more. So we're building a landing page, and a landing page has just one specific task in mind, is to get the person's interest and to get them to sign up to your newsletter or your email so that you can keep offering them special deals and special offers, okay? So whether or not you're using free ads or paid ads, you want them to come over to your landing page and you want them to sign up. Once they sign up, they're going to go over to a thank you page. Now, why would they sign up? To get that free download. Okay, so I'm just going to say a free download. Maybe you have white papers that you want to give out. Maybe you have scripts, a software, whatever it is your niche is, okay? That's what you're going to give away for free. And so then they're going to go over to this thank you page, check your inbox, okay? So you're going to tell people to check their email. That email is going to give a confirmation to confirm that you're on the list, okay? And that you are going to get that download. So you can actually say that, you can say, this is your confirmation, here's your file, to put it bluntly. So this is your download page. Now the cool thing about this is you can drop certain things on each page, like special offers. Like on this confirmation page, they're getting the download, right? But you also want to offer them an upsell. Okay, and I would recommend a video for each one. If you don't like it in front of the camera, you can always hire somebody to do it for you. And basically, you're going to say, thanks for, that would be the thank you page. Okay, you're all set. Here's your confirmation, and here's your download. Thanks a lot for taking the time to download this. Oh, by the way, I have a special offer. If you're really interested and you're in this market and you have this problem, we can really help you out. So check it out. And that link goes over to here. It's a link or a button, whatever you want to use. It could be a banner ad. Just click on the link below. And you can do that, like I said, by using video. You're telling them each step of the way. You're building trust. This is, like I said, the who, what, where, and how. Who are you? Why should I listen to you? Why should I get this download from you, etc. Okay, then after that, it's going to be your first email. It's going to be related to the problem. A lot of times in my situation, if again, you're building trust and establishing the rapport. So you use a life issue that you overcame. I know that's hard to read. So basically what you would do on your first email is you're not going to blast them with a bunch of offers, but you're going to give them a story that they can relate to. Okay. Back in the day when I was starting my business, it was nothing but letterhead and faxes and beepers. We didn't have enough money to buy a cell phone. So a mobile phone, car phone, whatever you want to call that. So you start in with a life story, and then if they want to find out more, you leave your website to your blog or to your YouTube channel, whatever it is that you need to lead them to so that they can hear the whole story, okay? And that's basically it. And then, you can keep, showing them different tips on your second email. They say, 5 to 7. I said 5 to 7 emails consecutively. And what I like to do, this would be tips or classes in my case. Other videos, and special deals. Maybe you have a limited time offer that you want to explain at the end of these 7 days. This offer is going to be gone. I know you're already interested, so the last day would be your big pitch. I massacred that. So the last day is your big pitch, and they could either say yes or no. If they do say yes, then there's a whole nother sequence of pages that you need to lead them to. Okay, so let's say go over to your another landing page, which is your big sales page. Okay, this is where you're going to give out the best for a great price and everything like that. And then if they buy, if they opt out, they don't want that, you can always do an exit pop-up to get them to see a download, or I should say a downsell price. Okay, that way you capture them. If they don't like that price and they were going to exit out of your page, you can also backsell them and downsell them to a lower valued product, okay, for a lower price. All right, so I don't want to get back into that, but that's basically it. You're going to keep in contact with them on social, keep following up with them on emails, just to give you some autoresponders. That's what you're looking for. An autoresponder is a platform for pre-scripted emails to go out in sequence. Okay, I happen to have AWeber. I've been with them for I think over a decade now. There's also MailChimp, Constant Contact. I'm not affiliated with this at the time of this, but that can change, you know. And just a heads up on my videos, I might be promoting a product or whatever. I may get commission from that, I may not, but just to be as a disclaimer, you know, I might have those things as well. So having a referral link, and I think you should too. So anyway, you definitely want to have an auto responder service, and that will definitely help you out. And those autoresponder services, they have templates, they have everything ready for you. All you have to do is fill in the blanks there. Okay. So anyway, this is David Deek. I try not to go long, but just wanted to give you a heads up on what a funnel looks like, you know, whether you're linear or you go vertical, upside down, it's the same thing. Okay. So basically you're going to start out with an ad or a free post, and then hopefully you're going to get the sale within the next 7 days, not 70 days. Okay. So anyway, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the Get a Clue Marketing Show, and check out my latest videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.